Welcome to Nezo, where smart design meets data-driven decisions. Start by heading to app.nezo-app.com/signup to create a main user account. This main user will control any additional users. We will touch later on that. Next, fill in the required details for the main user account and then save these changes. You will then be taken to the Accounts page. First, select your subscription type and then continue to the Payment section. The email address you enter here will be where all billing information is sent to. Once completed, you can then start creating projects. If you wanted to assign additional users, go ahead and sign out of the main user's account. Create your second user by signing up with a different email address. Again, fill out the required details for this second user. No need to choose a subscription type. Now that the second user has been created, we will sign back into the main account. Remember to copy the second user's email address. Once you have re-logged into the main account, head to the Accounts page. Then proceed to the Add User button. Enter in the second user's email address and click Add User. You can now control the second user's permissions, either view or create/edit projects. Since you are logged into the main account, remember to also update that account's name. Both accounts have now been linked. If you require additional users, repeat these steps by signing up and adding more user email addresses to the main account. Now for you additional users, to get started to create and edit projects, simply log back into the other user accounts, and then select the drop-down in the top right-hand corner. This will show the accounts the users are linked to. Select the main account from this list. Now you will be able to create and edit projects in this main account.